I found this cool vase at one of those old large antique stores. I like the look of it, I like the shape of it, but unfortunately it doesn't have a hole in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is take a ceramic drill bit and drill a nice hole in the bottom and turn it into a planter. I'm using a bit specifically designed for ceramic and brick, so it will cut right through this vase without chipping it or cracking it. Yeah, that's perfect. And if I ever want to turn it back into a vase, all I have to do is fill that hole with some silicone. Now I'm going to put some coarse gravel in the bottom so that there's some airflow in the bottom and the hole that I just cut won't get clogged. And since this vase is round, adding some gravel to the bottom will help prevent the soil in the bottom from going anaerobic. Give it a little bit of room for airflow. Now I'll just add the potting soil. Again, the reason I added the rocks to the bottom is because this vase is round and the hole opening is small at the top, so there's not a whole lot of opportunity for airflow. So leaving the rocks at the bottom will give some room for gas and airflow. Gas to leave and airflow. Oxygen. Oxygen is good. When I first found this vase, I basically just liked the color and the shape of it. I wasn't real sure what I wanted to put in it yet. I do know that I wanted something that will ride down the sides of the vase and not grow up tall. And a very knowledgeable plant person suggested that I try creeping jenny or moneywort. Basically will grow and cling along the edges of the dome shape of this vase. Easy to care for, likes a lot of water, and obviously with the shape of this vase it's likely to hold a lot of water. So I'm going to give this a try. Yeah, I'm already liking the way this is looking. I know it's a personal taste thing with everybody. Everyone's got an individual taste. But for this planter, my eye was just preferring to see the plant take the shape of the pot and grow down and around it rather than growing straight up and vertically high above it. Something about the shape being around. Since the hole is so small at the top, I'm trying to push the dirt in and around so that it fills the inside. And here's the finished project. I like it overall. Not a bad project. 25 bucks total. $15 for the vase. A few bucks for the drill bit. And a few bucks for the Creeping Jenny. I like the way it looks beside the Flea too. The fact that it hangs low rather than popping up straight vertically out of the pot.